Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to use Autofit in your worksheet here on Excel. Now if you are new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below, as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so this one, very simple, very easy to do. All we need to do is find a column, for example, one from here. We'll type hello text. It's nice to see. And as you can see, that is obviously taking over a couple of lines. If I was to type here, hello, you can see it's been cut off. Now there are two ways of being able to auto-fit your columns, and that is by going up to the column itself, and you seeing this line right in between. It's now become a double-edged arrow. Just double click, and it will immediately auto-fit to the largest text that you have here in the column. Now, I can also click on the column, go up to the option format, go down and click auto fit column width. Once I click this, it will of course do exactly the same thing and do the auto fit for me. So I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.